Let's crochet a daisy. The daisy is made of heart, jaw, and petal. Crochet the heart first. Use the yellow yarn. Wind around the little finger. Bring to index finger. Wind the yarn around the middle finger and pinch. Use the thicker end. Pass through the cast-on ring. The loop on the middle finger. Crochet a cast-on. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast-on. Crochet 6 single crochets. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. This is the first stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch. Continue the second stitch. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Pass through. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. 5 stitches are the end. Pass through. Wind and yarn over. Take off the loop. Tighten the loop. Make a slip stitch with the stitch placed marker to form a loop. Pass through the first stitch. Wind and yarn over. Yarn over. This is a cast-on. Tighten the loop. Adjust the loop. The first lap is done. Continue the second lap. Crochet a chain stitch as a cast-on. Wind and yarn over. The second stitch is 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Crochet a single crochet in the first stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Crochet and increase. The increase is to crochet 2 single crochets. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the same stitch. Wind and yarn over. Yarn over. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the same stitch. Crochet a single crochet. Crochet and increase. There are 9 stitches in the second lap. Pass through the first stitch. Make a slip stitch. Wind and yarn over. Yarn over. Tighten the loop. The third lap, crochet a chain stitch as a cast-on. Crochet 9 single crochets. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the stitch. Wind. Yarn over. There are 9 stitches in the third lap. After that, remain the yarn NCM. Take off the loop. Thread the yarn into the sewing needle. Pass through the first stitch. Pass through. Adjust the loop. Hide the yarn in any place. Pass through the middle. And then take it over. The heart of flower is done.